Knock down and beat down the retail trader by manipulating the markets, right? That's what I'm doing. But here's the coins. You can see Bitcoins came all the way down like we thought. If we zoom out to the daily time frame, you can see we had that mountain double top that we sniffed out and detected and talking about. And then we were in this rising channel, which was a bear flag that's breaking down, and the targeted move on that is 20,000 to 21,000 at that red underneath support down there. And we've broken about halfway down, hit the blue ring like we thought we would. Now, if you want to get some kind of relief rally here in Bitcoin, because you did just have a big fall, you got to get above some of these moving averages. But I think if you're in a 3 or the 4 hour time frame, those are the time frames that I like just to see what's going on. I think these moving averages are all going to have to trend down the 200, the 100, and the 50 in the red, the blue, and the green, respectively. And this is going to trade between the orange ring and the blue fib circles right now, because these fib circles tell you where the buyers and sellers should be. That's how we knew when we breached this, you were coming to the orange ring. If you broke the orange ring, you were coming to the blue ring. And then when you got bounced off the blue ring, we said you could come and quote the classic hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal pattern, right? And then continue down. Or you could just consolidate for a little bit, a few days, in between the orange and blue ring. And that appears to be what you're doing, because if you zoom into the hour time frame, if I'm trading this right now, if you break the blue fib circle, you know you're coming all the way down pretty close to that 20,850 pretty quick, just as quick as you fell from the 40,000 to the 29,000, right? That's how quick you'll fall right there if you break that. Now on the upside, if you can break this orange ring, hold it as support, you can trade all the way up here real quick, right? See what I'm saying? That would be bullish. Or, right now, if you can get on top, fight the moving averages, they start trending down, you start beating them down every time. Every time you come up now and get rejected, but if you hold the orange ring, come back up and get rejected, but hold the orange ring, come back up, you're eating into some of these sellers that are all up there, eating into the wall. And if you can beat it down enough times, but hold this orange ring where buyers should be on the way back down, you can eventually break through and make a run back up at 38,000, right? That's what you're going to be watching the next few days. And that's why I actually think this price is going to consolidate in here for a little bit longer. It's already done it for a little bit, almost a day now. I could see it just staying within a few percentage points of these two lines, or just completely in it for the next day or two. It'll cool off and consolidate, right? I could absolutely see that happening. But if you break the 29,000, the blue ring on the south side, that's a sell if volume picks up. Vice versa, if you break the orange ring on the north side and volume picks up, that's your cue something's going on, right? Super simple and easy technical analysis for everybody to diagnose and understand. XRP is the same thing. We've had that 47 cents last line of defense, aka get my shit together, in orange to the shit house, right? Because the shit house is in red down there. And we had that as a short-term target. It seemed like forever, because we know we were in this 13-month symmetrical triangle that we broke down. And once we broke the green ring, which we need to make this a different color now that I changed my background, that's hard to see. It kind of blends right in. Give me that ring. Come on. It always makes it so difficult. Like, sort of makes you be on the same. Come on. The same time frame that you're on when you put it. Yeah, we can't have that anymore. So we got that. Let's make this the blue ring, right? Dark blue ring. Here we go. Let's zoom in back to the daily time frame. And that's when we broke that blue ring right there to 61 cents. That's how we knew we were coming to the 47 cents because it's a fib circle and it tells you where the buyers and sellers should be. And now the top of this orange support zone was put here on a specific reason from, I believe, here, the volume indicator, right, that I had on there. I don't want to zoom all the way back up, but that's why I have that there because the volume indicators, this was a big traded range right here locally. And that's how we knew you'd come to the orange support zone. That's why we have it marked there. And right now, if you can hold this orange support zone, oops, not, we don't want to do that. If you can hold the orange support zone, oops, let's get back to the hour time frame, industry exclusive drawing tool. If you come back down and double bottom, but it can hold the top of this orange support zone, you can come all the way up in here and try to make a run at 61 cents. That's on the table. If you're trying to swing trade this, momentum trade this, long-term hodling, this is a big fall. You can long-term hodl. But if you're trying to swing trade this, that's a way coming around here. If you sell back off but hold the top part of this orange 47 cent area and start to trade up, you can make a run at your major upper resistance of 61 cents. That blue fib circle, when you're on top of it, it was acting as support, but on the way back up, that's going to be your major resistance zone. On the contrary, if you can't hold this area right here and you slip into this orange support zone, you're going to trade right down to 37,972 cent real quick. And that's a big fall, especially after all the pain that's been going on. That'd be a quick 19-20% flush. So that's the big key area to watch. Can you hold that 47 cents top part of this orange support zone, or are you going to get rejected and flush through it back down to the bottom part of that orange support zone and threaten disaster at 37 cents? That's what we're watching out for in the old XRP. And that's what the market's looking like right now. I think it's a consolidation night, a consolidation maybe tomorrow. And then the big moves are going to start, but we'll be here on top of it for you. Like, subscribe, and share. Until the next update, peace and love. Peace and love.